I tripping? What the bro? What are those little shits? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. Right now, we're about to meet up with the homie Nick. We're gonna go do a little photo shoot in downtown because we got a fire fit. And you already know when we have fire fits, we gotta snap pictures and post them on the gram. Anyways, we're gonna go photo shoot. And then I think a little bit later, we're gonna meet up with the homie David, Blue Beauties. And we're gonna go down to Beverly Hills, down to Peter Marco. I think he's gonna be picking up some jewelry. I think he had it cleaned or something like that. So we're gonna go in there and I don't know, maybe we might buy something, honestly. And yeah, I'll pick up the camera once we meet up with Nick and we'll get rolling. Nah, that ain't cool. You don't look cool, bro. Stop. I gotta tell him. I vlogged it, look.
Bro! That's what yours is doing.
No, it's not. Let me see, hold on. Bro, it's not even on it. Wait. Take the plate off?
How'd that happen?
Bro, because this shit ain't tied in all the way. There you go. Yeah? Alright, you're back in business. Damn, who crashed the R8? Fuck, bro. Bro. And it's a sheepy race one, too. Damn, bro. That sucks. All right, guys, we made it to the spot. You get the view of the downtown buildings in the back. So we just finished shooting. Nick took some banger pictures as always, because we learned from him. I know you left your vlog camera over here. We learned from Nick, the best. So, what's up, bro? Thank you. But yeah, look at the view, guys. Check this out. This is my favorite right here. Look at that. Sheesh. But this is sick. Nick was saying that it would have been sick if I can get a roller or a flyby of him coming through under here. Boom, all through there. That should be hard. But yeah, Nick's gonna put his car. I'm gonna take some photos of him. And like I said, we got the little photo shoot on because you already know. We dripped out as always. We got the purple with the purple here. Purple with the flares. I think it's the best way, honestly. But yeah, we're gonna get some sick ass pictures of his car. My car, I'm gonna put my car over there and we'll get some banger shots. As you guys know, Nick is the one that inspired me to do photography and vlogging. All right, guys, as you can see, some time has passed. We are now on Rodayski's.
I can't wait to pick up my AP.
Damn, she bad. Anyway, what'd you say? You can't what?
Can't wait to pick up my AP right now.
Oh shit, we're going jewelry shopping, G. Rich, you got the yours and the F8. Oh, you're big balling today, bro.
Right, guys. I love F8.
That shit fire. G63 with the mono blocks. That's a hard ass spec. That shit's tough. And we got the SL right next to it too. That shit fire. We got the Ferrari. Oh, that's the hybrid one or electric, whatever. Sheesh. The homie Neeks in the M8. All right, guys, we made it to Peter Marco. We got all the homies. Let me just show you guys real quick. Oh my, this is what I want to try on right here. And I want to try this on, and then I want to try one of these watches on right here. Oh my God, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at the RM with the baguettes. Sheesh. Rich.
I think I'm gonna go with the Richard Mill.
Rich?
It needs to be blue though, bro. What are you gonna buy today?
I want to watch it.
Keep
Watch or chains? Who? I don't know what happened today. Look at that, guys. They got the Van Cleefs. Oh my gosh, bro. That's fire. I want a Van Cleef one. Probably like that black one right there is sick. Look it up here, guys. Oh my God, bro. Gosh, it's crazy.
Thank you guys. Real. And there's I'm not buying one. I'm not gonna lie. Big sizes. Worth a lot of money too.
Those are sick, though. Those Cartier One Love ones, Ice Style are sick. Or a big. Check this out, guys. Oh my God, bro. I kind of like the Cubans, but I feel like the Cubans are already played out. I don't know. These are sick. All these are sick too. But this one right here, like two of these on the wrist. Probably in that color. That color is pretty nice. Oh, look at that, guys. You can see they got some watches right here. Got the Rolly. I think it's called Submariner. Day. They got the AP. They got all the watches right here. Look at that. Damn. This one's pretty clean. That one's clean. That one's pretty clean too. The ring. I don't know if I could pull off a ring, to be honest. I don't know if I could pull off a ring.
That's it. We gotta get on his level though. You see, that's what we're trying to get to. This is the baby status, you know. That's the.
Look at that. Even the horse got diamonds on the teeth and on the eye.
No.
Different times?
Yeah.
Are these
Those
all
are
different
pretty sick.
sizes?
Yes.
Are these
Cartier ones
ladies?
are sick.
Cartiers?
Definitely unisex.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, the Cartier ones are hard as fuck.
Red Rock one of those? Let me see.
These are sick.
Are these all? Oh, okay. So we got yellow gold and then we got rose gold. Or no? Do we? I think so, right?
No, it's gonna be just 2 yellow on the end right here.
And the rest of these are
rose, and then we have
what we
some
got.
white ones here.
I think I'll do the yellow on the right.
You wanna see it?
Yeah, let's try one.
Hard.
So these are your
The factory joints.
exactly without all the crazy, and then up here.
I like the flash.
I know, but they're both. Everybody else, as you get older, you want to go with this, right?
Yeah.
Young guys want to be flashing.
Okay. I got a 21 and a 20. Which one do you feel more comfortable with?
I wouldn't even start to be able to tell you like I know. I'm just curious. What do you think my?
I'll do the 21 just to be safe.
Look at that thing.
Hard.
It's crazy, the big one. So we gotta put Big Nick in something.
Oh my god, that shit's hard,
it
bro.
would be a.
I mean, see, this is where it becomes all preference. Some people
Right.
like them looser like that,
Sure.
but we could try on the 20 and see if, you know.
Okay, because I've never. You know what? Damn, it actually
That
does
shit
kind
looks
of look
hard, bro. It does look sick.
Thing.
Yeah, that bitch bad. Cartier ones are sick.
How did this snap on? It's sick, man.
But we do have them with the screws. We just don't have any in stock right now.
Right. And this obviously is part of the
that's
Cartier.
As far as the amount of carats in this, I imagine you're around, well, I don't want to pinch you.
No, you're good.
Maybe around like 20.
That shit fire.
Is there? They're priced the same with the size
That was
difference?
sick though.
No.
Just here.
Supposed to be able to move over the bone, yeah.
Without touching or just smooth?
Like smooth, yeah.
I think that's perfect.
But it also depends how you like to wear it. You see,
Yeah.
I like to wear it like that, even your other one. When you're
Oh
wearing
no,
a
I feel it now.
jacket.
I just felt it.
See, when you're wearing a jacket, you put your arm down, your sleeve stops here, but your
Right.
your bracelet show.
Something, when I go like this, I feel on this bone right here where it kind of pinches a little bit. So I'm thinking that's probably where it's going to be the difference. Yeah, let me see that guy again just to feel.
You could also wear it on the other side of your Cuban
That's true,
and
actually.
let the Cuban rest on your wrist because the Cuban is going to be generally a lot more loose than a Cartier.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that was hard.
Yeah.
Side though,
Oh, you're right. Well, that would have been the small. You mean the smaller one, right?
whichever one you feel.
This is
happier
cool.
with.
I would never know how to take that off if you didn't show me. See the little tiny lip right there?
Yeah.
So you just catch that lip, and then there's that button.
Yeah, that's sick.
That's clean.
Buffalo and stuff.
Yeah, those are good.
Oh damn, that is
Damn.
clean. He's like, fuck a watch. I got it.
What's this one?
This one's a 20.
20. So it's probably that one about 375 of diamond weight. And then PD. Open the bottom
Oh, so
drawer
you-
and just turn the scale on.
You probably have a scale because this feels heavy. I mean, this feels nice.
I imagine it'll
A
probably
lot of
be
this has
around
got to
30.
be. A lot of that's got to be in gold, right? If it's 18 karat, I mean, you're paying a lot of that's the weight of the gold, not, you know. It's beautiful. It's tempting. It's tempting. Get my Christmas gift for myself over here. Unless Kevin wants to throw it a little bit. Throw it. This guy's the big baller here. The YouTuber makes all the money. Because it gets more like a oval when it gets too big. It becomes more like a circle versus kind of like a. You want to keep it more like your oval, like your wrist.
The way I like to say it is, you want to wear the bracelet, you don't want the bracelet to wear you, right?
That's right. Because you don't want to be like writing on your bone. You want to wear it not on. No. Makes sense. Yeah, but I want to see what you're gonna.
No, you go first. Come on.
Oh man, I've spent so. I got the bracelet with Peter, right? I got the big ring with Peter. The small one I didn't. Right? I had to upgrade because this is the better one. I got the watch with Peter. I got the big chain with Peter. And now we're on to the bracelet, the last sale of the year. So I'm gonna say, I know he's already hooking me up, guys. All right, this is the best guy to work with. Okay, but no, truthfully, and if you guys were, I don't know if they saw the other vlog where John came in and got the Rolex, the black face with all the diamonds. Yeah, so that was a couple of weeks ago. So I know we had a little profit on that. I'm gonna say, I'm not gonna push you that hard. I mean, you already came in at 1,000. I said 75. If you could do 7 out the door, though, let's make the deal. If you can do that, let's make the deal.
We were close.
What did he have? See? We're making a sale. We're making a sale.
72.
We were close enough to close the deal.
I knew you were gonna say 7.
As long as you take care of your son too, because I don't want to meet him.
I'll do the gentleman thing and meet you in the middle.
He needs
That's what I was
to
gonna say.
No. Bottom line.
75, 7. I'll meet you 72.50.
Peter, we're gonna do it. Come on, because he's gonna work with me. We're gonna close this
I'm
deal.
gonna tell you something.
And we would do 72.50, but a $250 finder's fee for bringing John in here and buying the Rolex.
Wait, that was the $1,000 fee.
That was the repeat customer. He came back.
He's got
Discount.
fees on top of fees.
I should have been an attorney. I can negotiate so well.
You know what?
I'm gonna come work for him one day. I'm gonna be right there on your side, slanging jewelry.
Listen, I'm going to tell you, anyone who knows me, it's never about the sale. It's not about the money. I'm a relationship guy. I'm not a transaction guy.
Facts.
And his heart, he's a solid guy. There's a million jewelers out there. He doesn't need to be here. He's got a lot of choices, and he's here. And not only is he here, but he promotes me and he respects, and he's a good guy. And so.
Year after year, I share the same stories. Going to Peter Marco, trying on watches, sending people here. You know.
We're gonna end the year by bringing my boy happiness. And don't tell him I said this, but if he would have said 6, I would have did that too. That's just for the video.
He'll come that far down.
That's a blooper.
Ding, Big Kev.
So
Nick don't like it, bro.
I like it.
This shit fire. Alright guys, so the homie David just bought the Cartier bracelet, iced out, for, you saw already, 7 grand. 7 grand for the bracelet, bro.
Should've bought something too, G.
I know, low key.
Wow, look at this, Kevin. Man, look at, you guys see what Kevin just picked up? Straight Peter Marco. Got the Rollie.
Got the Rollie on the wrist?
Okay.
Hey, we matching.
You know, we getting there. We getting there. Let's go.
David's like, but it ain't iced out though. This one's sick though. So this is a 41 millimeter.
Two-tone rose,
Yeah, that's just fire.
chocolate face diamond dot.
Would you ice it all out?
Hey, should I go
Nah.
buy the wallet? Oh, tell him to get me one.
Well, let's go to him.
Let's go.
We got the Urs. We got the 720S. We got the RA with gold on there. Look at the Ferrari, G. The old school Ferrari. RA. All right, we're gonna do a little more car spotting. Oh, we got the McLaren. That's just tough. Oh my God.
Roman?
Jeez, it is Roman. Rich.
Freaking dream car.
Bro, listen to that thing on idle.
Oh, it's SV. I thought it was SVJ.
Alright guys, right now we're about to shoot for Nick and his merch, and we are gonna see it. Oh,
sick, huh?
that's sick.
Oh, that's not the best part. Watch
Damn, that's a good size too.
Watch this, G.
What, G? Show me, what do you got? Oh,
It's sick, huh?
that's fire.
Bro, isn't that crazy? This is lip pads everywhere, and it's like.
That's badass, low key. I'm not gonna
You can even
lie.
see the
That's
carbon.
sick. You can even see the brace bar in the back.
I know.
All right, guys. So we did some photos. You already know we only post bangers. I don't know if you can see, but these are gonna come out fire. You already know your boy had to shoot. Sheesh. Look at that. Fuck with me, guys. Come on. Sheesh. This one's sick. Look at the. Let me show them the back. Aww.
This is what we gotta do. Take off all my clothes.
This is sick. You see that, guys? Hold on, let me fix it.
That shit is hard, huh?
Yeah, shows the front, the headlights, the wheel, the back. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.